afternoon from Disney Springs, where we're here for the opening day of Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness.
Yes.
Jen, your favorite
Marvel
character.
And I realize all my shirts that I have of him not fit.
So we need to get you a new shirt.
I need a new shirt.
But our show's not until later, so today is the day we're going to go shopping. We're going to go look around Disney Springs and see what Marvel Doctor Strange stuff they have.
You think they have a Doctor Strange snack?
Maybe, we'll see.
I'm going to look in every store.
You ready? Let's go. All right, so we're going to go into the candy cauldron because maybe they've got some Marvel sweets.
I don't think so.
If not, they've got sweets. Okay, so there was no sweets inside the candy cauldron.
But,
well,
my gosh.
they were sweets, but
Sugar
there was no Doctor Strange sweets.
It was all 50th, some fudge, some cupcakes, but nothing Doctor Strange.
But you know what? We'll have Doctor Strange stuff.
Marvel Superhero Headquarters.
Let's go. Let's go check it out.
Oh my gosh, new Spirit jersey, $74.99. It's got all the hero logos on the sleeves, because there are so many now. So, and then on the front, what's it have? Just Marvel. And then there's a kid's version too. No price, but I'm sure it's, you know. This is kind of what I want. Oh my god, it's my size.
You do need a new Doctor Strange.
It is. Yes, I do.
Scarlet Witch is on it.
It glows in the dark.
What?
It's $24.99.
It's pretty cool.
I might have to get that.
And it's got America Chavez on it.
Oh yeah. So as a child, well, not as a child, when I was a child, I didn't know about Marvel. Okay, it doesn't work, but I'm assuming it makes it look like the little protection rings.
Sling ring.
Yeah. $39.99. That's cool. Okay, I want that. So we found one that works. Oh, that's different from what we just saw. It's not the right color. It's still cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. We've got the sweater.
The Eye of Agamotto.
It's $64.99. I don't think there's anything on the back. No, it's just red.
It's still pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's like his colors.
You get the hat as well.
Yeah, that's a cool one too.
It is. It's embroidered.
$29.99.
Interesting.
So this is also glow in the dark and fluorescent, and it's got the Sanctum.
That's cool because it actually says the title of the movie, Multiverse of Madness. Look on the back.
What's on the back? Okay, that's really cool. That's why it glows in the dark. It is $36.99 for the shirt. And then you got the kids shirt, also all glow in the dark. $19.99. So here's a water bottle that I found. It's got Wanda on it, just no Multiverse of Madness, but it's $19.99. Okay, I know this is Doctor Strange Day, but this is so cute. So this one is $22.99.
His head looks like a flower pot.
I think it's supposed to be like the big head ones, the like cute ones, like my Eeyore. And then this is a weighted one, so he's got a tummy. And it's $29.99.
Doesn't want to stay up.
He's rocking out, man. That's cute though.
Oh yeah,
and that
little
one
artwork.
Too, yeah, that's cute.
It's pretty neat. All right, so I know this is a Marvel vlog.
But we peeked inside.
But we want to see some of this new Star Wars merch.
We peeked.
Let's check it out. So they do have new wishables themed to Galaxy's Edge. And in this one, you've got the Millennium Falcon, which has a little face on it. And then Hondo Anaka, a Porg, and R5P8. But we noticed the price did go up on them. I think they were $9.99 before.
I think this is the Millennium Falcon.
You think that's the Millennium Falcon? That'd be kind of a cool thing to have on
He's circular. He's the only circular
like
flat thing.
He's a circular flat thing?
Yeah, well, I mean, compared to the other ones.
True.
Unless they made him a little flat.
And May the 4th was not too long ago. It was a few days ago. They got new merchandise. It says use the Force.
It's $39.99.
But they also have a Spirit jersey, which says May the Force be with us.
$74.99.
What does it say on the front? It says Rebel Leader. Okay.
It's quite busy.
Interesting. And I guess this bucket hat that says Rebel Leader would go perfectly with the Spirit jersey. And if you're a fan of polos, they have a Star Wars polo for $59.99. It's got the Death Star Anything on the back? Nope, just a normal polo. So it looks like they're going for this like cool floral pattern.
You got some like cloth or like towel.
Yeah, it's like a towel material.
It's $64.99.
Okay. Yeah, it's got an interesting look to it. Huh. I guess that makes it look like it's from out of this world.
Yeah, it's different.
And then you can get the shorts to go with it. The comfort shorts.
They are $36.99.
Interesting. So yeah, they got quite a big selection to choose from now.
Yeah.
Changed it up a little bit.
Strength and Hope for $36.99.
There you go. Very strange, but it looks like they've got action figures.
These are not the toys you're looking for.
Collect them all.
$36.99.
Okay. And they've got one here too. A big Chewy action figure.
$39.99.
With Leia, and it says, will somebody get this big walking carpet out of my way?
Oh, the back has stuff.
Oh, weird. That is definitely strange. What is this down here?
It's like a shipping label. What is this?
What is going on?
Is this from Disney or some other
Wait,
company?
flip it over. Star Wars 45th anniversary.
Oh, they're kind of going. Is there something on the back of the other one?
I don't think so.
No.
Just the 45.
It's weird.
So I thought this was pretty cool. They've got a nice little setup here just for Mother's Day. And it looks like it's sponsored by Advent Health. So if you're a mother, come on down and get your picture taken here. So this is pretty cool. They actually have like little cards here. They're like postcards that you can send to your mom. And they're actually plants. So like you plant them and they'll grow into flowers. And he was saying that you just write a little memo here just like this and drop it in the mailbox. And Advent Health, which is the sponsor, covers the cost of the postage, which is pretty cool. So if you need to send a gift to your mom, stop by here. It's every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that they have it posted up right near Enzo's.
What the cast member was saying is that they are actually set up in front of the Orange Garage and over at that sign.
Yeah.
And they set up every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the month of May to celebrate Mother's Day.
I wonder did he say what kind of plants it is?
No.
Oh.
I guess it's a surprise. I guess we'll have to try it out.
Well, I'm gonna give one to my mom.
Actually, it says it right here. It says, plant this positivity postcard to help promote physical and mental wellness. This seed mix was carefully curated to provide positive feelings when planted and cultivated.
But it doesn't say what kind of plant it's gonna be. I wonder if it's something like that.
It might be, or it could be something that generates positive feelings.
No, all plants do. It's nature.
Okay, so we just went to Gideon's, which I've never been into before. You did that one time and sampled brought home some samples for me. But this is my first time in Gideon's. It's a pretty cool thing, very small room. I can see why there's always a line.
Yeah.
But this month we got
the exclusive.
The exclusive. So this was the card that they give you while you're waiting in line, and the menu for May. And it looks like the special for this month was peanut butter chocolate swirl. So what we have here is the peanut butter and chocolate swirl that we're gonna sample right now and give it a shot. What do you say?
Yes, I also just wanted to note that this month's cake selection, because they have a cake, God, those birds are loud. They have a cake limited edition, so it's peanut butter and jelly cake.
All right, cool.
So, but they're very thick and very like a lot. So I think
very
one's
rich.
Fine. Yeah.
So one's gonna do, because we're actually eating this before lunch.
Oh my God, it's already melting.
Is it? Oh
Yeah.
man.
I'm glad we only got one.
Already melting.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's break it off. Oh, I didn't just bite that.
Was it good? Here you go.
Oh, it's peanut buttery.
Oh, I need napkins. Oh no. I can't do this. Oh God, it's good.
Very good. You get your peanut butter fill?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Your hands are a mess.
I didn't think to get napkins.
It is also extremely warm here.
Yeah.
So chocolate is not lasting long.
No, it's very good. It's like in the middle is like chocolate.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Ah.
We're gonna have to wash our hands next. Oh no. There you go.
This is a mess.
Yes.
I love Giddeon's, but the chocolate chunks in the heat
No bueno.
Do not go well. We'll have to go to the Winter Park store at some point.
Yeah, there's another one in Winter Park, which is East Orlando. I would imagine it's not as busy as this one.
Is it just as themed though?
I think so, yeah, I think it is. Maybe one day we'll have to go there and check it out. It is salty. They definitely put some big chunks of salt in it.
Okay, now it's time to head into pin trading to find out if they have any new pins for sale. Maybe they've got some Doctor Strange ones. Not finding a lot of Doctor Strange stuff today, it seems. All right, so it's been a while since we've checked out some of these Disney pins, but they've got the Haunted Mansion Oregon.
I thought that was cool.
That's pretty neat. Mr. Toads.
Look, they're doing like different pin backs. Like
Yeah,
this one has,
themed backers.
and this one.
Ooh, weird.
You haven't seen that movie yet.
No, I
It was
haven't.
good.
Art of Animation. Got a new pin. Interesting. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Atlantis.
I want to watch that movie again.
Don't see a lot of references to this movie anymore. Here's some of the limited edition pins. Look at this one. 7-pin ensemble of Epcot. That's kind of cool. And then you've got some princess ones from the Princess Collection.
Electrical Parade.
Oh, I love the Electrical
Are you gonna get
Parade.
one?
Maybe one day. And then they got the golden statues. Remember when we found all the golden statues? We'll put a link in the description box down below to the time we found all the golden statues across Disney World.
And then they got
There
Scarlet
we
Witch.
go, Scarlet Witch.
Yeah. But they don't have
Chippendale,
Dr.
floating down Main Street.
But they don't have Doctor Strange.
Yeah, I don't see any Doctor Strange. But they do have some What If. And I know right now the Magic Band Plus is the big talk right now, but unfortunately, no Magic Band Plus here, just the traditional Magic Bands. It's been a while since we got to see these.
I know. Oh, it's so tiny.
They're just gonna probably change in the next hour or so.
Oh, I'm
2
sure.
hours whenever they come back. So.
Is that Hercules?
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thank you. So Jen, what did you get?
I had to get it. She's so cool.
That is a cool pin,
So,
I have to admit.
and
And it's
it
a
is-
limited release.
Yes, it is $15.99. So it doesn't have the price on the little thing. So,
Anything
but
on the back?
$15.99. The price.
The price.
But
Cool.
I like the whole thing.
Yeah, it's neat. The whole
So-
placard.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So Disney just released this new line of merchandise made by Coach, the famous handbag and purse manufacturer. They got all sorts of stuff made by Coach, such as handbags, wristlets, small bags, and even a hooded sweatshirt priced at
$350.
$350. But it does have the Coach branding on the inside.
It's not very soft though.
No.
On the soft scale, it's not that high.
Well,
But
if Coach is your brand of choice, they do have Disney World retro look.
I do like that he has a camera.
That is
It's
cute. So they do have a new line of merchandise here celebrating the Tencennial,
Okay,
their
on the
10th
let me
anniversary.
tell you, this is $59.99, and off the soft scale, it's very, very high.
Okay.
So if you want something soft, I mean, it's very bright though. So
Well, the Tencennial was kind of, that was the thing. 10-year
Yeah.
anniversary. See, they got the Tencennial pin. I don't know, it's kind of weird.
it's
They're
weird.
celebrating.
Are they gonna do the birthday cake thing too?
Oh my goodness, the 25th. So it's interesting, they actually have the Disneyland Main Street Electrical Parade 50th anniversary merchandise here at Disney Springs, even though it's not even here at Disney World, it is at Disneyland in California. It's still pretty cool. They even have a lounge fly.
So here's the front. It's cute. No zipper here, it's just so
Interesting.
You know. And then it's got
Aw, the little Mickey on the back.
oh, and then it just says 50 years.
50 years on the inside.
It's cute. It almost has a different feel. Like
Really?
it's textured.
Huh.
Like feel it. It's like
Faux leather.
like it's textured rather than the smooth.
How much is it?
Oh, I didn't even look at that. 75.
Okay.
It's cute.
Yeah. We ended up going into the Marketplace Co-op over in the D-Tech section where they have all new Marvel stuff. You know, we haven't seen too many Marvel items today, but they do happen to have the Moon Knight case that just came out. So Moon Knight was a great show. If you haven't seen it, definitely watch it on Disney Plus. Ended up getting it
for my phone case, so I'm going to replace my boring black case
Oh yeah, you've been
with
looking for one.
a Moon Knight case, so
Yeah.
very excited. All right, we're heading into the world of Disney.
Wait, there's a whole Marvel section right there.
Oh, check it out. All right, we've got to find something here, right?
I like almost push people out of the way. All right, so this is America Chavez's jacket. She's got a star on the back. And that's for kids, and it's $49.99.
Okay, and they do have extra
Cute.
large here. So if you like jean jackets and you're a kid
Yeah.
and America Chavez is your idol,
Yeah.
here's your jacket.
She might be, who knows?
What do you think, Jen?
I think I need a medium.
A medium?
Yeah.
What do you think, though? You like it?
Yeah, I do like it. So it's funny, I'm usually a medium. The medium in this is too big.
Yeah.
So they didn't have any smalls, and they don't have any smalls here. And they don't have any mediums in the sweater.
Oh, popular size.
I know.
So they have the next series, the Pirates series, of the Mickey Mouse main attraction collection. That's pretty neat.
It's got a compass.
Oh yeah, you're right. Pirates of the Caribbean, and look at the hat.
No, you have to look in the middle first.
Or I guess those would be the ears.
Just pirates.
Okay, pirate themed. All right,
Pirate
cool.
wallpaper.
And this is priced at $85, probably because of the ears
Yeah,
that they
I
have
would
on
say.
top. Speaking of ears, they've got Pirates of the Caribbean ears priced at $34.99. It says Pirates of the Caribbean on it. Oh, and it says Disney World 50th. So it's just like the Space Mountain ones from before.
Do you want to see my favorite part?
What's that?
Mickey.
Oh.
How cute is he? It says Mickey Mouse.
Oh, yeah,
Series
you're right.
2 of 12.
I'm having the hardest time with getting this. There we go. It's really hard to do with one hand.
Well, it doesn't help the one in the back fell. There we go.
That's cute.
He is $34.99.
Pirate Mickey.
This is how you should dress on a cruise ship.
Right? So the next one, which will be coming out soon, looks like the Mad Tea Party.
You forgot one thing.
Oh, that's
Apparently there's a key, which I didn't see for the Space Mountain one.
It's kind of cool. What is it, just like a ornament or?
$29.99. Yeah,
Weird.
I guess.
Okay, cool. Okay, it's time to head into the auditorium as our movie of Doctor Strange 2, Multiverse of Madness is about to begin. So Jen, what did you think about Doctor Strange 2? Without any spoilers, no spoilers here.
I really liked it.
Yeah.
I am a huge Doctor fan. A huge Doctor Strange fan. That first Doctor Strange movie was my favorite.
Yeah.
So like, it's a lot darker.
Yeah.
So if you're taking your children, be
They're-
ready for some jump scares and some gore. But it was really good.
And Sam Raimi is the director who did the original Spider-Man, but he also did Evil Dead and some scary movies, so it kind
Yeah.
of has a little bit of that in there. A lot of horror elements, a lot
I
of
jumped like 5 times.
gore elements,
Yeah.
some flashing sequences, but otherwise the movie was pretty good.
Wait until the end credit scenes.
And
Like
there's
when
two
the
of them.
credits are
There's
done.
two of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's like not really worth waiting for, but it's really funny. So
But overall, what would you give it? Like 1 out of 10? 10 being like really awesome?
I'd say a 7.
Yeah.
A good 7.
I'd go 7 as well.
Because I think the first Doctor Strange was like a 10.
Yeah.
Like,
Perfect.
yes.
Chef's kiss. Anyway, I think we're gonna head out. We had a fun day bringing you guys along with us. If you get the chance to see Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, go ahead and check it out. And if you're down here at Disney Springs, there's always some cool stuff, always good merchandise opportunities. I wish there was a little bit more Marvel
Like
merch.
there was nothing like,
Yeah.
no, like
special drinks or anything like that.
Starbucks
Cupcakes.
stopped their special drinks
Yeah,
here, which
yeah.
makes me very sad.
Yeah.
So
'Cause it was always like whatever was going on in that day. Or
they made a punny like
themes,
name, yeah.
Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, Jen, tell them what to do.
Make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap that notification bell to become a super multiverse subscriber.
Ooh, I like that. Till next time, see you
See you
real
real
soon.
soon.